I have to fight for constitutional rights and to uphold the dignity of the profession. Ito si Dan Fernandez, oh. Sabi niya, ito, verbatim quote to. Maiksi lang po ito. Please bear with me. Sabi niya, we are giving you the opportunity, the fastest way. He was addressing my client. Here kasi in aid of legislation kami. But of course, certain lawyers, no, law firm. Siyempre gusto nila mahabang proseso sa korte, di ba? You know that. Because ano yan, may bayad ang lawyers di ba? I want to give Miss Cassandra Lee this Republic Act 6981 para for her to contemplate while she is in our custody. Kasi, basahin mo mabuti to. We are helping you. Huwag kang maniwala sa lawyer mo. I mean, let's face it. They want to prolong your cases. Why? Of course, we know that. Kaya si Atty. Topacio, alam mo naman si Atty. Topacio. So now, it's our time to get even. Can you imagine using the legislative bully pulpit to get even? Pahabain niya ng kaso para makuha niya lahat ng pera mo. That's why I challenged him and I challenge him again. Dan, huwag kang magtago dyan sa likod ng parliamentary privilege. Ulitin mo yung sinabi mo rito. Ulitin mo sa harapan ko. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari. Duwag Ayaw magsalita pag nasa labas, nagtatago doon sa privilege niya. I challenge him again. Dan, harapan. Sige, sabihin mo sa harap ko yan. Huwag ka namang matakot sa akin. Ang liit-liit ko. May problema pa yung tuhod ko. Pero, ulitin mo sa harap ko. Huwag yung nagtatago ka dyan. Tapang-tapang mo pag nasa kongreso ka
Ayan, hinamo na ni Atty. Topacio. Okay.
My beat, my coffee.
Ninyo doon sa itong issue nga ng Chinese spy. Sa tingin niyo po ba, sir, parang gawa-gawa lang ito para maalis yung atensyon natin doon sa issue sa 2025 national budget?
I don't want to speculate kasi sabi ko nga, mahirap basahin ito. Maaring ganon, but I'm not saying it is. Maaaring part of the ongoing policy of the government to antagonize the people against Chinese nationals. Nangyari din po yan sa World War II. After the bombing of Pearl Harbor, dinimonize ng American government ang mga Japanese nationals. Not only Japanese nationals, not only those who are residing in the US, even persons, Americans, persons born in the US of Japanese descent, nilagay sa concentration camp. Maybe many of you do not know that the United States did this too. Japanese, ethnic Japanese, nilagay sa concentration camp noong World War II. Nilayo sa kanilang mga bahay, nilayo sa kanilang pamilya, kinulong on the mere suspicion that they can be used as Japanese spies. That is how you start these things. Ngayon, yung sinasabi mo, well, I do not want to speculate. Although, I would not put it beyond the present government to do things like this para mawala. Kasi talaga namang defective yung budget. But I will not go into that. That's beyond the scope of this press con. That's another story for another time.
Okay, may katanungan pa?
Attorney.
It's on its way. Ito ay, kasi kailangan ito, padalan pa yung tanggapan ni Congressman Fernandez bago i-file sa Ethics Committee. But pinirmahan ko na to, nanotaryohan ko na, pinapasok ko yung in-house notary namin ng alas 8 ng umaga para pag pinirmahan ko, masumpaan ko, and then he is the one on his way, Attorney Rafael Antonio Andrada will be the one to file this. Hindi naman po kailangang personal ako mag-file. For today, yes. It will be filed today. Kasi alam nyo, I just want to show some members of Congress that you cannot abuse your rights and privileges without encountering pushback. Ito ikwento ko lang. Ngayon, umpisahan nila yung TRICOM hearing on guidelines daw on fake news. Kasi, eto, get this. Kaya nila ginawa yung TRICOM na yon dahil may mga fake news daw na targeted against members of the Quadcom. Unang-una, kung alam mo ang iyong konstitusyon, you cannot do that. You cannot start legislation for the benefit of a particular class of people. That is class legislation that is prohibited under the Constitution. Hindi pwedeng gagawa kami ng batas para sa amin lang. That's unallowable class legislation. Gagawa ka ng batas, mag-iimbestiga ka dahil kinikriticize ang Quadcom. Saang planeta na naman pwede yan? Baka sa alternate universe. Hindi po pwede yun. If you make legislation, unless merong class legislation, but make criteria. You cannot make legislation just to benefit a particular set of people. Basahin nyo yung si Barok. Sino yung apelido ni Barok? Yung tracker na laging nagdidemanda sa Supreme Court. Yung against the Truth Commission na kinonstitute ni Noynoy. Sinabi niya to investigate the abuses during the Arroyo administration. You cannot do that. That is class legislation and that law was struck down by the Supreme Court. But